Need space, but you don't want to give up location? This Farragut home offers you both. Dinner parties, game nights, and family gatherings. This home has room for it all. With over 8,000 square feet, this home offers a master bedroom on the main level, a home office, a finished basement, and a 3-car garage with a car lift, making room for a 4th vehicle. Imagine finishing your day here, overlooking your private backyard. I'm Lisa Sinclair. When you're ready to tour, give me a call.